So I decided to stay one night at the KOA Campground in Apache Junction. It's the closest one to the Hohokam Stadium.
My name is Doug. I'm a retired school teacher.
I built a camper van out of an old service van.
I will take you with me camping, fishing, going to the beach, going to baseball games. I'm going to teach you how to save some money. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to the Holiday Tinn.
So I chose to stay here because they have electrical hookups and they have a shower. They have a pool and they have laundry and other things. That's not what I used, but I did use the shower and the electricity, which worked out really well for me. It was a real easy place to stay. So after taxes, it was $65 to stay the night, which is kind of pricey, but I got electricity to be able to charge up my batteries, and I got a nice hot shower, and it worked out for just one night for me.
Well, I stayed the night at the KOA last night, and I got a good hot shower, and it was good for electricity. I was able to use the electrical hookup to charge up my Jackery battery and also charge up my phone and things like that were getting low, and my iPad and my laptop. Those are all things I charge up with my batteries in my van, but you know, I like to use shore power when I can to top everything off. But you know, the KOA served its purpose. It wasn't anything special or anything to write home about. Apache Junction is where I'm at, and I'm way out on the east side of the Phoenix area. There are great views of the mountains, but what I'm kind of learning about this area around Phoenix on the outside out here on the east side, Apache Junction is kind of the land of the mobile home. There are many mobile home parks all over the place, and I guess that's because there are a lot of retirees around in Arizona. That's what I'm guessing, that the reason there's... Now, one thing I did notice last night when I was sleeping in the KOA was about 4:30 in the morning, you could hear a loud pack of coyotes, and I'm assuming that was in this field right over here across the road from Apache Junction KOA. The KOA actually is on a road called South Tomahawk Road, and if you look behind me, you can see this field has all these cool looking cactus back here behind me and the mountain scene. But I'm thinking that this is where all the coyotes were early in the morning. You could hear them howling really early in the morning. Anyway, I'm off back to Mesa. I'm gonna go back over there, gonna watch some more Oakland A's baseball spring training. And today, I believe we are playing the Cleveland Guardians. So, thanks for watching my video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, and hopefully you learned something. If you did, you did. If you didn't, you didn't. But thanks for watching my video. One thing I'm liking about Arizona is that the gas prices are way cheaper than California. I'm used to paying $5 a gallon, and here in Arizona I'm paying $3.79 or $3.69 in some places. So Arizona, you know how to do it right. So I'm gassing up at the Fry's grocery store, and I also got my Starbucks coffee over at the Fry's. They have a Starbucks inside, and that's where I plan to use Wi-Fi today. Don't you do it, Boots.